Hi everyone. If you're planning to take the IELTS or TOEFL, you'll need to expand your vocabulary. You should replace basic words with more precise words. Today, we're going to work on the word wrong because it has many meanings. You can be more precise. Here they are. Let's get started. Where did the day go wrong? This wrong can mean many things when really we should say awry. Awry means disorderly or not working properly. My sleep schedule was awry for a week after the flight. Even the best plans can go awry for any number of reasons. Awry. Is this the wrong tool? Again, this is not very clear. Maybe unsuitable is a better word, which means inappropriate, unacceptable, or improper. We found the room to be unsuitable for groups of more than 50. Not a good fit. Many of the candidates for the job were unsuitable. Is this answer wrong? Not very clear. Maybe incorrect is better, which means not right or not correct. I'm afraid the information we supplied you was incorrect. His incorrect pronunciation made it difficult for him to be understood. Incorrect. Is it wrong to steal? Maybe a better word would be immoral, which means bad, evil, or sinful. Bad on purpose. Many people believe it is immoral to use nuclear weapons. The plan to bribe the judges in order to win was highly immoral. Immoral. Am I wrong about you? Let's try to use mistaken. Mistaken means misguided or false by making a mistake. I believe you are completely mistaken about this suspect. The crowd had mistaken me for a speaker at the trade show. Are my conclusions wrong? Let's try to use erroneous. Untrue or false by making an error, erroneous. Eventually, the erroneous flat earth idea will fade away. Erroneous data can lead to poor planning. Erroneous. You could check out 50 new action verbs and how to learn them over here, or you could try these lessons. Anyway, see you next time. Subscribe if you want. Bye.